Hi everybody, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna be cooking spaghetti meatballs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the quick way to make spaghetti and meatballs, and I'm gonna add shrimp to it, just to I'll spice it up a little bit. Okay, so in here I have the water for the spaghetti. This is the pot, and I'm gonna use this other pot to make the sauce. I already blended here some tomato, onion, and habanero pepper. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna make um, the spaghetti and the sauce over there. So over here is the spaghetti. The spaghetti is over here, and I got this spaghetti from Aldi. This is a big jar of spaghetti. So over here I have macaroni. I want to use this macaroni. Here they call it garden rotini, and I got this from Walmart. Okay, so this is the jar for it. So I'm just gonna do that by the side. Okay, so this is it here. Over here I have the meatball, the ground turkey I'm gonna be using for the meatballs. Okay, so this is ground turkey. Okay, and here I have the bag of shrimp, which I'm gonna use for it also. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you quick and easy way. Okay, so now the water is hot. We're gonna put in the salt in the water, then grab my spaghetti. I'm cooking for a family of 4, so I'm gonna pour my spaghetti inside. So let it keep boiling. Over here I'm gonna make the spaghetti sauce. So pour in the oil. So when the oil is hot enough, then I'm gonna pour in the blended tomatoes, onion, and pepper inside the hot oil. Okay. So inside the spaghetti, I'm gonna put a little bit oil in it so it doesn't stick. Okay. Put a little bit of oil in the spaghetti, and as it boils down, you just push it into the water. Okay, so I'm gonna be cooking the rotini in here. In this rotini has different color. You can see it has the orange color, it has green, and it has the regular light brown color. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour the rotini now in the water. I have previously salted the water, so I'm gonna also add a little bit of oil inside the water of the rotini. Okay, so you take a little spoon and you stir. All right, so when everything comes to a boil, I'll let you see what it looks like. So guys, here is my ground turkey I'm gonna be using as for my meatballs. So in the ground turkey, I'm gonna put some thyme. This is thyme. I'm gonna put some rosemary, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some curry powder. Just put a little bit of curry powder in there. Then I put a little bit of salt. Okay, then go in there and mix all the ground. You can use beef for it, or like I'm doing now, I'm using ground turkey. You can also use ground beef. Okay, and make sure you taste for salt. Okay, my salt is enough now, so I'm just gonna make a ball out of it. I don't use what's it called now, I know some people put inside so that it will form a little bit. Some people put like panko, you know, breading or something like that to make it form, but I just do it like this. Okay, so I don't put any bread in it. So I just form it like this and put it in there. So I'll continue to do it, and I'll show you when I'm ready to cook it. I'll show you what I do. Okay, so guys, the spaghetti is ready. This is the spaghetti, and this is the rotini. It's ready. So now we're gonna make meatballs. Okay, to make the meatballs, you put a water in a pan, then you drop the meatballs that you've rolled. You drop it one at a time into the boiling water or the hot water. Okay, don't let it boil, just hot water. Remember, in this meatballs, I didn't put no panko breading or any kind of breading whatsoever. So you drop it in one at a time. Make sure there's enough space in between the meatballs. Then you cover it and you allow it to boil for like maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so once you do that, your meatball is ready. Unlike if you do it in the oven, it takes forever for the meatballs to get ready. Okay, so this is the quick and easy way to make your meatballs. All right, so when it's ready, we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so guys, the meatball is ready, and this is the meatballs. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm telling you, this is the fastest and easiest way to make meatballs. See, that's the meatballs. So it's ready. Now we're gonna use the sauce. That's the tomato sauce. I'm gonna mix it with the spaghetti and also make a sauce for the meatballs. Okay, so for the tomato sauce, I just allow it to cook and cook and cook until the raw taste of tomato is completely out of it, and I added tomato paste to it. Okay, so just keep on cooking and also add your oil like you saw in the beginning, and make it and cook it until the tomato taste is out of it, so it's ready to be used now. Okay, so I'm gonna use 1 nut cube and also some salt. Okay, just to give the food a taste. So the final result I'm gonna show you. So guys, the meat sauce is ready. This is the spaghetti meatball sauce. So that one is ready there, and also the spaghetti is also ready. Okay, this is the spaghetti here. It's also ready. So we're just gonna serve it now, and we're gonna eat. Okay, so here it is guys, spaghetti and meat sauce. So this is my home plate, shrimp and meatballs. Okay, so it looks so pretty, right? That is it guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video with your friends. Okay, bye bye.